In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue check in QuickBooks. We'll walk through creating the check in QuickBooks and then printing it on your check stock so you can pay a vendor accurately and keep your books tidy. First, open QuickBooks, and from the main toolbar, select the plus new button. From the list of options, choose check. This opens the check form where you'll enter the payment details. At the top, pick the bank account you want to pay from. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct account because this is the register the payment will hit. Next, fill in the payee. Type the name exactly as it should appear on the check. Enter the date you intend the payment to post. In the details area, you can use either category details or item details. Category details are great for general expenses like utilities or office supplies, and they post directly to an expense account. Item details are for products or services you track as items, useful when you need quantity, rate, or inventory tracking. Use whichever best describes what you're paying for, then enter the amount. QuickBooks will automatically convert the numeric amount to words on the printed check. So focus on getting the number correct. Add a memo if you want extra clarity on reports or for the recipient. When everything looks right, click Save and Print. This stores the transaction in your books and gets it ready to go to paper. Now, let's print the check. In the Print dialog inside QuickBooks, click Print Check to open the printing window. Before you print, load your pre-printed check stock into the printer. Check your printer tray for the correct orientation. Some printers require the check face up, others face down, and make sure you're using the proper format, such as 3 per page business checks. If your printer supports it, set the paper size to letter and turn off any scaling so alignment stays true. With the paper loaded, click Print. Watch the first check come out and confirm the payee, date, amount in words, and alignment all look clean and centered. If anything seems off, adjust your paper placement and print settings, then try again. That's it. You created a check by choosing the right bank account, entering the payee, date, details, and amount, saving it, and then printing it on your check stock. Follow these steps each time you need to issue a payment, and your records and printed checks will stay consistent and professional.